Meaning of Golden Wonder.
Golden Wonder.
Golden Wonder.
Golden Wonder.
Golden Wonder. Golden wonder is a phrase that has multiple meanings. It can refer to a type of potato grown in the UK, which is known for its golden color and waxy texture. Alternatively, it can describe a feeling of amazement or admiration towards something, often relating to beauty or grandeur. In popular culture, Golden Wonder is also the name of a former UK snack food company, known for producing crisps and other savory snacks. Overall, Golden Wonder suggests something impressive, valuable, or noteworthy, whether in terms of food, emotion, or brand recognition.